IronCAD's sheet metal parts that use sketch bend have the ability to create cross breaks and cut edges. For example, this element, if we look at it, is a cross break that is defined in our sketch bend down at the bottom of our browser under the cross break section, where you can define the curves and the sketch that make up that element. Same thing for the cut edges. If you edit the feature here and select in here, you can see that we can use cut edges to define our cutting elements, and this is actually using a bend and cut elements both in the sketch bend. What's new in IronCAD 2024 is you can actually call these out differently on the drawing to have different styles and layers. So if I go over to our ICD, you can see that we have our view created already here with our cross break and our cut lines with our bend lines that are defined already in separate layers. If you open up the styles and layers, you'll see two new styles, one for cut line, one for cross breaks, where you can define the line style and the layer to use. For example, I've created a cross layer and a cut layer with different colors on side of here so we can define these. In your styles, you have options to define the line type. For example, if we want to set this to a dot for our cut edges to call out differently, we can see these differently on our drawing element. Currently, you notice nothing has changed. To get these to apply to a view, you need to right-click on the view, go to Properties, go to Classified Line Styles, and you'll see an option to enable styles for cut lines and cross breaks. So this will use the default line styles inside of here and all the default settings, but we'll use that from our style information. So once we select that, hit Update Views, you can see now this will draw in the green color, and this will draw in our orange color with the dotted lines. So a very handy way to draw elements using the cut lines and cross breaks on different layers in our ICD.